Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So it's a little different this week. I'm doing a digital drawing. I'm really rusty. I haven't really used my tablet to draw in a long time. You know, I have a cold, so I might not do that much talking this video. So I decided to do fan art of Toadette and Nabbit in the new Super Mario Deluxe U for the Switch. I been playing it a little with my sister and her boyfriend. Yeah, Nabbit's cool. I mean, well, really easy. Means you can't get hurt. And you get tons and tons of lives. But, yeah, Toadette turning into Peachette is super adorable. At first we thought, Peachette, when she's floating, she drop little flowers, so I had this idea of, you know, drawing Peachette floating and Nabbit picking up the flowers and putting them in his bag. And then I went back and looked, and she has stars floating after her. So I'm like, didn't really work. So I thought Nabbit, he just takes items, like he doesn't use them. He just takes them and gets lives at the end of the level. So I figured it'd be cute to have him taking the Peachette's crown and her running after him. Even though he can't actually pick up them in the game. But I thought it was a cute idea. Yeah, I used a little reference. Well, for Nabbit, I mean, I found the perfect picture. He's in that pose. Toadette, I just looked at a regular of her picture of her. Yeah, she's not that. Now I'm done. She's not really proportioned properly. Yeah. Anyway, I decided to do digital today, so I could, like, I set up my computer on this little lap desk thing I have, and then I had my tablet on my lap, and was laying in bed drawing this. So I'm still not feeling good. But I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, so I have the original, Cintiq, like the Wacom companion, Cintiq companion, like the first one. I remember I got it not that long after it came out, and I got it on sale. This big, like, warehouse kind of place, they had it on sale, so I was able to, you know, get it at a decent price. And that's when I replaced my old, I had another old Wacom. It was like a third, I think it was, shoot, I forget what it was. But it was a little, one of the small original, Cintiq, yeah. I did more digital back then. Tablet I had before that was tiny little, it was Wacom, but it wasn't, it was just the ones where you have to look at your screen, like it's not a screen tablet. It was a super tiny little thing. I still have it. It's not like the Bamboo or Intuos, or I forget what it's called. It was really, really tiny, and you could take this little plate off the top, and I put a little picture in it. I forget what it was called. But yeah, so I've had those. Main downfall, I think, of the Cintiq is you have to have it plugged into your computer. I mean, that is a good thing. You can use Photoshop like I'm doing here, but not as portable. And they're really dang heavy. And you know, it's old, so I can't update the OS on it for when in the Android mode. I mean, I have Sketchbook Pro on it, but there's no way of screen recording on it when it's not plugged into my computer without rooting. And I don't want to do that because it has like I think it has Android 4.1 or 4.2 on it, like Jelly Bean, I think it was. Yeah, I think it has Jelly Bean on. Anyway, you can't update the OS, so it's kind of stuck back there. It really sucks. I wish we could update it because it's like an Android tablet with Android on it. Would have been great if we could update the OS. Yeah, I don't really use it. I used to use it as a tablet before I got my iPad Mini 2, which is what I use, but I don't draw on it because, you know, I never liked the styluses, like the cheap ones, and it doesn't work with the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil's expensive. Yeah, so I mean, I'm quite rusty with using the just digital in general, I guess. I've just been mainly sketching and using, you know, doing traditional mediums and just sketching and doodling a lot. So yeah, quite rusty at digital. But anyway, this drawing took me an hour and a half to do. It's not the greatest. I think Nabbit turned out really cute. Toadette's and meh. Yeah. So just I probably could have taken a picture of the two of them and put it in Photoshop and color picked, but I just guesstimated off of a picture I had on the reference I had on my other tablet. Anyway, I think I should work on doing more digital stuff again. Because I used to do it a lot. Like, my old videos on here was all digital stuff. Because I did mostly digital back then. But now I kind of, I don't know, prefer... Well, I mean, you can use the digital to sketch and stuff, but like I said, today I didn't feel like sitting at my desk, so yeah, that's... Anyways, I didn't try too hard to make this look, you know, amazing. And you can see I'm not really that... well, the shading's not that awesome, but I'm happy with it. I wish Toadette looked better. But, I mean, I can always do another drawing and another time, and because I still want to draw Peachette, so, like have a cute picture of Peachette, maybe, like, holding Toadette or something. Like, the two of them together, even though that's not, you know, physically possible, but whatever. Sorry, yeah, so this is the end of the video. Anyway, I hope you liked it. I hope my coffeeness isn't annoying. And thanks for watching. Bye.